Hey guys, this is the Bella Slim Air Fryer. I have mine in the 6-quart size. It also comes in 4-quart and other color options. Mine is the oat milk color. I use this for everyday meals in my kitchen. I've had it for about a year and it's holding up nice for us. I love that it has a non-stick ceramic coating basket. So you can see it's easy to wipe clean. You just take out this tray, put it back. I love that it has a narrow design to it. So it frees up for a lot of counter space for me in my kitchen. So it just has that nice long design. I really like that part. It has digital buttons, 6 preset cooking buttons. So it has air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. I often use air fry, so I'll go ahead, that's the on button. And it's nice because it has adjustable time and temp as well. So if you choose air fry but want to change the time, do that, and the temp, do that, and start. And then it goes to your desired time. But if for some reason you need to stop before that, you can press stop and the on button. Again, I've had this for about a year. The non-stick coating is holding up really well. I cook in it pretty much daily. I'm a busy sports mom. So if you are looking for a compactable, easy to use, easy control air fryer, this is my experience with it, and it's been a great addition to our kitchen.